Google Workspace versus Google One. Simplified. Basically, with all Google products, with Google Workspace, you want to use it if you're collaborating with team members or other users. It's a workspace whereby you can interact and share information with other people. If that's the case, you want to consider using Google Workspace. It gives you all the apps that Google has, including the latest generative AI, which is the Gemini app, okay? So you want to use Google Workspace. It's a subscription service from Google. If you are running a business or you want to interact with other users and control the data shared between them, because you'll be the admin. Whereby Google One, the latest package, is actually okay, because even the Pro version gives you the Google AI, as in the Pro editions of Google Gemini. Basically, you're getting 2 TB on the Google AI Pro edition. The premium gives you higher storage option, and you want to use Google One perhaps for yourself. So when you're considering and comparing Google Workspace, because it does give you Google AI features as well, and Google One, you want to use Google One for yourself, for work purposes, for business or education purposes where you want to collaborate with other people, then you want to use Google Workspace. With the latest edition, they've actually introduced, we've got Gemini app with Pro, we've got the video edition, but only version 2. The VO 3, which is the latest version, that's in the Ultra plan, which is a bit pricey for most people. But if you're operating a business and finances are not an issue, then perhaps you want to go with the Ultra version to access VO 3, which is the latest video edition. Then we've got Whisk. Then you get 1,000 monthly AI credits. We'll touch base with what that is in a second. NotebookLM, we've got Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Vids and more, and all other benefits in a premium plan. Basically, you want to sign up with Google One if you need more storage, perhaps for Google Photos, you're uploading a lot of photos, you have sync devices that upload photos that you're taking, and you need more space. If you're using Google Drive, you want to upload stuff, 2 TB is still plenty. I'd encourage you to perhaps go with the Pro version, and if you need more storage and so on, then you can upgrade to a premium version. So basically, let's look at Google AI, because that's the main reason you'd want to subscribe to Google One, not necessarily 2 TB of storage, right? So with Google One subscription plan, you have the access to the latest version, which is the Pro version 2.5. You can do deep research, you can use Canvas, you can even generate videos using VO3 version. I've actually created a sample video just to test things out, and the quality, as you can see, version 2, it's in VO version 2, this is actually not bad compared to other AI video generators on internet. So basically, your Google One Pro account gives you access to the latest Google Gemini AI tools. Let's imagine you want to create a deep research. All you do is ask Gemini. You want to create a video, you can use fast all-around help or the Pro version, which will give you a bit more quicker and more powerful results, so to speak. Let's imagine you're a web designer or a coder. Google AI Gemini app actually helps you a lot as well. You can put your code in there, ask it to explain things, find errors, and so on. Then you have settings here. You can explore. I won't cover all of these. Basically, let's say apps. You can connect your Pro edition with many other Google products as well. And the results that you'll get will be a bit more personalized if you want. As in, you can connect Google products, including Google search, to be a bit more personalized if you were to get Google One. Because then when you explore the settings, then the response that you'll get, it'll be your artificial intelligence companion on a more personalized level. So basically, Workspace is for work and interacting with team members perhaps, and Google One is for yourself, so to speak. And both of them do give you access to Gemini app. So keep that in mind. But with Google One, you have 1,000 monthly AI credits. Perhaps that's a great start to begin with, exploring the options available in the Google AI editions. And if you run out of credit, you can always purchase more. So that is the difference between Google Workspace and Google One.